Okay, here we have this electric scooter. Now this battery comes up as good on the meter. Sometimes the scooter would turn on, other times it wouldn't. Now the battery shows 40 volts or 39 volts on the meter. It varies. Why does it vary? Well, because I believe one of the welds is cracked inside the battery. I'm going to do it now. It's just showing minimum voltage capacitors in that controller, probably having a buffer effect on the scooter and helping it to stay running. But if I rev, it just can't run, just doesn't run. It shows low battery. If I disconnect the battery, I'll just turn it off quickly. If I disconnect the battery, here's the XT30 connector, little baby thing, compared to what we're used to seeing on this channel. So there's your connector there. I'll just get the multimeter probes, stick them in the connector, do bear with me. As you can see, we have 39.6 on the meter, and the scooter would randomly turn on, randomly turn off and things like that, and you know, was just not a happy bunny. But I plugged the other battery into it, which is underneath this multimeter, which probably shows a lower voltage. I've not checked that. I'm not going to check that because this is too time consuming. Let's plug this battery in. As you can see, we've got full bars. If I start the scooter, you do have to seemingly kick these off the line to get them to move. The acceleration's awful. Sport mode? Really? Are you sure? Wow. Shows what a bit of software does. It lets you get up to 25 miles an hour though. Oh no, kilometres. Okay. 30. You going faster? No. Yeah, strange. I'm pretty sure this is not a BLM365, but hey ho. That's got cruise control too, which is nice and safe. There we go. That concludes this video on this weird electric scooter problem. Thank you for watching.